What's up, YouTube? So, it's been a while since I made a video, so I'm gonna give y'all an update. I cleared a bunch of trees off. We had a storm came through Augusta, and it messed a lot of stuff up. It was Hurricane Helene. So, after that, I came out here. I done did some clearing, and I'm gonna show y'all what I done did since back then. So it's been a while, but yeah, most definitely we cleared a lot. But today, actually, I'm doing a video on. I got me and my stepson out here. So he riding a four-wheeler. And what we doing is we knocking all these humps down from when I had the machine in here, and he's smoothing it out. So what we did was we hooked the fence up and he's dragging it. And it's smoothing the ground out for everything we had to do. So we finna seed everything so it won't get washed away. But yeah, he doing this thing right now. You know, kids love stuff like this. So. Yeah, so we gotta knock all the humps down, but we're using the gate actually. I seen it on another video like a year ago. I seen someone do it. I even piled trees up right there. I'm gonna use them later on, but I took out a lot of logs in this area right here. I left this tree up because I wanted to put this sign up, because if you don't put it up on your property, trust me, people will be on it. So that's the goal for today. Gonna seed it on up. But as the day go, this how it goes. So we're gonna work it and work it and work it.